everyone, hello. So today's video is kind of special for me because it's my birthday today, and this will be like get ready with me for my birthday. And it's also very special because it's my 1 year anniversary on YouTube, and I'm really happy about it. I don't want to cry in this video, I don't want to get too emotional. And before we begin, I think this video will get a little longer, and yeah, so I'll basically chat and do my makeup. I will not talk much about what I'm doing. However, I will list down all the products in the description as always if you are interested. And yeah, anyway, I will just ramble and talk about different topics and talk about different things all at once. So keep up. I'll probably switch topics a lot, and I tend to do this a lot. I'll tell you one story and then there are like 15 short stories in it. So yeah, anyway, so firstly, I'll turn 24 this year. I have turned 24 this year, and I was very scared, to be honest, पर आज इतना डर नहीं लग रहा. हाँ, थोड़े दिन पहले तक and even a month ago I was like, what the hell, I'll turn 24, no, I'm like growing old and all of that. I was really scared about it, but to be honest, I still look good, don't I? I'm such a typical Leo, but I am, okay? So anyway, I hope I'm able to upload this video on the same day itself. It's 1st of August and there's a clock right here, so it's 11:45 right now, and I hope I'm able to film and edit and upload this video today itself. I have a few friends coming over, and yeah, I'll celebrate my birthday at home itself because where I stay, the COVID guidelines are still very strict and a lot of places are not open yet. And anyway, if you know me, you know that I really like to be cautious when it comes to these things. I have myself dealt with COVID. I'm struggling to find the brush that I need. I have all my brushes right here in front of me. So yeah, what I was saying is, I feel like it's the responsible thing to do. I know a lot of people still feel कि COVID is just a hoax, and they feel कि कोई बात नहीं, हम party कर सकते हैं, हम ये भी कर लेंगे, वो भी कर लेंगे, and all of that. But I am definitely not one of them, and I've seen. So anyway, moving on, I couldn't find the brush, so अब मैं कुछ दूसरा ही brush use कर रही हूँ. Anyway, so yeah, I still know people जिन्हें ऐसा लगता है, and I've no words for them firstly, and I know people जिनका birthday नहीं होता है तो भी they are out partying with 15-20 other people. So I will never be one of them. I want to be a responsible citizen. Let's move on. So I also had this goal for myself last year when I uploaded a video on YouTube. That was my intro video. I thought कि oh my god, let me just check मेरा mic on है क्या, because I've done this before कि मैं सारा video record कर लिया and my mic was off. It's on. So हाँ, last year मैंने अपने लिए goal रखा था that I wanted to monetize my channel in a year. I know वो goal थोड़ा far fetched था, you can say, because इतना जल्दी होता नहीं है unless you're very lucky, I don't know. So and anyway, like, to be honest, I think I could have worked even harder towards my YouTube. I would like to believe I still achieved my goal, like, somehow. So my goal initially was to upload regularly on YouTube, and I wanted to post one video every single week, okay? That I did. I only missed my uploads when I had COVID, but I still had like other videos. I did my Navratri series, which was really tiring, and uploading one video every single day is not that easy. And at that point of time, I was not that great with editing. मुझे YouTube start करके ही कुछ 1-2 months हुए थे, if I'm not wrong. So anyway, I did that, and I also started I never planned on doing this. I always wanted to be a YouTube person. I don't know, YouTube has a very special place in my heart, and I was not so interested in Instagram, but then Reels came along, and ever since I started playing around with Reels, so I started enjoying that too. And now YouTube has the shorts shelf as well, and to be honest, as a small creator, if you put out shorts, I feel it could do really well for your channel. Now if you see my channel itself, I mean shorts को बहुत अच्छे views मिल रहे हैं and for no reason. I don't like the fact कि ऐसा हो रहा है because the longer videos like the one you're watching take much more efforts than creating shorts, okay? And you cannot really, I mean for me especially, I would like to call myself more of a review channel because I love trying out new things and giving my opinion on them and letting you know if they are any good and if you should spend your money on it or not. So for me, I would say it's not that great, but you have to, I feel like you have to adapt and you have to move on with how things are. You cannot just keep on sulking and crying about them. So yeah, I also started making short video content and all of that. So the problem that I have with the shorts, with making the shorts is the tripod that I have is वो सिर्फ ऐसा ही है, like landscape mode पे ही है. I cannot turn it the other way. So what I have to end up doing is I have to sit a bit farther away and फिर बाद में I have to scale my video. So a lot of times what happens is मेरा ऊपर का portion जाएगा या sides का portion जाएगा and ऐसे बहुत देख के बैठना पड़ता है, एकदम बीच में ही बैठूंगी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. आई ऑल्सो ट्राइड, आई मीन मेकिंग रील्स ऑन माई कैमरा, आई मीन फ़ोन का कैमरा, बट मज़ा नहीं आया उतना. एंड व्हेन यू सी द DSLR क्वालिटी एंड द फ़ोन वाला क्वालिटी, देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे फ़ोन में बहुत सारी चीज़ें ब्लर हो जाती है. एंड आई डोंट want you guys to ever feel that I'm using a blurring feature or anything of that sort. I don't want you to feel के oh my god मेरी स्किन ऐसे कैसे दिख रही है, वैसे कैसे दिख रही है. Like whatever you're seeing is the real authentic me, and I have pores, everybody does. I have texture on my face, again everyone does. So oh my god, देखा मैं फिर से कुछ दूसरे ही टॉपिक पे आ गई. I'm sorry. Okay, let me finish what I was saying earlier. हाँ, तो मैं बोल रही थी कि माई गोल वॉज टू मेक वन वीडियो एवरी वीक एंड देन माई सेकेंड गोल वॉज टू मोनेटाइज माई चैनल. एंड टू मोनेटाइज योर चैनल you need 1000 subscribers and you also need 4000 watch hours. And I'm so happy. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I think you should. And I'm so happy I posted on my Instagram the other day that this was my goal. And however, I couldn't reach 1000. But I wish कि मैं 500 ही हो जाए. And oh my god, thank you so much for everyone who shared my story and asked your audience to subscribe to my channel as well and asked your friends to subscribe to me. Thank you so much. It really means the world to me. YouTube has been my dream for a very long time, you know. YouTube has been my dream for years now, and I always wanted it to be perfect. I wanted to have a good camera before I started. I wanted to have good lighting and all of that, and that took me a long time. And I'm really proud that I could do all of this with my own money itself. YouTube is a very huge investment, to be honest, and because I like reviewing products and I mean I love that and I want to do that on YouTube, so I have to invest a lot of my own money into it. And for now I'm okay with it because I don't have any other huge expenses as of now. And अगर मैं YouTube नहीं करती तो भी I think I would have purchased those items because I was really curious about them. And even before I ever had my channel, I used to tell my friends about products and I was always into this. Like my friend once told me you should be into marketing because you can really like sell a product. Now here I'm not here to sell you a product, please. I really hope you never get that sense from me, because for me, I just want to review a product, and then if you are interested in it, go ahead and buy it. Don't ever feel pressurized to buy something just because I said you should. And I make it a point, I never try and say this word and just go and get it, you need it in your life, because no, you really don't. I know that makeup is not the priority, and there are other different things in your life, and not everybody is into makeup and not everybody can afford it, and not everybody feels like this is something necessary and this is something that you should invest in. So I totally completely get that. However, on other hand, I think the people who say this might watch this video, but anyway, when I started my YouTube channel, a lot of people were like, क्यों चालू किया इसने, इससे क्या मिलेगा, एंड व्हाट एम आई ट्राइंग टू प्रूव एंड all of that. And I won't lie, थोड़ा सा बुरा तो लगा था, and people used to come and tell my parents that I'm wasting so much of money and how am I affording to buy these products, and how am I like affording to buy so much of makeup or skincare. I mean, why? मतलब मैं तुम्हारे घर पे आके पूछती हूँ क्या कि तुमने ये चीज़ क्यों खरीदी या वो चीज़ क्यों खरीदी, तो why do you feel the need to do that to me? And I would really never get that. And secondly, I don't remember the last time I asked my parents for money. I've been earning for a very long time now, and when I was in college मैं pocket money भी नहीं लेती थी. So as far as I remember, ever since I was in 8th grade, I have been earning myself. I used to tutor students, and I love that. I really like teaching. Always been very nerdy, and I wanted to know more about stuff. So that is why I think you guys enjoy my reviews, because before I post a review, I don't have the book right here with me because this is not like a scripted video, and I did not even note down points that I wanted to say in this video. But yeah, before I start a video or before I review a product, I make sure that I note down everything about the product, from the price, where you can get the product, what the product does, what the ingredients claim to do, and all of that. And I research for a good 1-2 hours. Sometimes I even like take days to get the information. Like आज आधा घंटा I did the research, फिर next day I'll do some more. So all in all, sometimes it takes me a lot of time, but it brings me the joy that I cannot even tell you. And for now, I'm not earning anything from YouTube, but anyway, I don't mind that. I really don't. I'm not doing it for money as of now. In the future, of course, it's in my plan that I would love to earn something from this, because I'm putting in so much of effort into this. But I'm okay for now. I have a job, and yeah, I'm okay investing in myself and investing in things that bring me joy. I know this is like a very expensive hobby to have. I mean, it really makes me happy when people people who are not that good friends with me come and tell me that they watch my videos and they like it. I think for me, that is more than enough. Also, I don't know why, but on my second year on YouTube, I feel like I'm ready to experiment a little more. And at first I was like, I don't want to do things that everybody is doing, like those challenge videos or the makeup hack videos and all of that, as like everyone is doing it. I don't want to do it. But then sometimes I also felt like, oh wow, this is very intriguing. I want to try it. I want to see if it really works. So this year, I think I will allow myself to indulge in those makeup concepts as well. I know it can get a bit repetitive as a consumer and as a consumer of content. I'm also a consumer of YouTube content, I mean, I watch a lot of YouTube, and it's my daily ritual, daily, nightly, whatever you want to call it. But I watch YouTube before I go to sleep, and there are like so many amazing makeup channels that I watch, and I also watch like other stuff. And I don't know if I should say this out loud, but I'm so interested in the YouTube drama. Oh my god. I mean the petty drama, okay, not the heavy ones, because I don't want to get into that, but just the petty drama of ये person ने वो किया and इसने ऐसा किया वैसा किया. Why are people interested in it? I don't really know, but yeah, I feel everybody is to a certain extent, right? Oh, one more thing, मैंने अपने बाल काटे. So I did those bangs. I'll show you at the end of the video, and you might already know this if you follow me on Instagram, because मैंने जैसे ही काटे, I posted a reel and images of my haircut. I'd like to tell you, like this is how I will be on my birthday today. I'm not going to change it. This is not like a pre-recorded video or anything of that sort. यही मेरा birthday look है, यही मेरा birthday makeup है. I am somebody who loves buying new dresses, and I go really crazy on my birthday, and I buy red velvet gowns on my birthday. I'm that kind of a person, and I really like it, like it to be very extra. You know, I was saying I like my birthdays to be extra. I'm not a party person, but I do like dressing extra and going out with my friends, having a nice lunch or dinner or having a good time with them. So yeah, I've always been that person, but this year I did not buy any clothes because मेरे पास पहले के ही इतने सारे कपड़े हैं ना कि वो कब ख़त्म हो गए आई डोंट रियली नो. आई मीन कपड़े ख़त्म नहीं हो सकते, बट देन आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू विद देम. एंड स्पेशली अभी तो लॉकडाउन है तो नोबडी कैन वेयर देम आउट, और like I cannot use the clothes that I already have. So I thought there's no point in buying new clothes, right? So I am wearing this. I'll post pictures or I'll insert pictures, or else you can see them on Instagram later. So yeah, I'm wearing a one piece that is like very old. It's almost 9 years old. Can you imagine? 9 years old ka one piece hai ye. Oh god. Don't really know what I want to do with my eyeshadow, but I think I'll keep it very simple. Also, I've always wondered, will you be interested in story time videos? Like, I have some really hilarious stuff to tell you, but then I always feel that I don't know if I should do it or not. I have like really embarrassing stories, and I've also always wanted to share my experience with eczema or acne, or I don't know, or topics like that, but I know that those topics are a bit sensitive. I mean, especially acne, and I've myself dealt with acne for a very long time, to be honest, and I'm so glad that, I mean, touch wood, that my skin is doing better. However, you know what, like मुझे usually आजकल इतना breakout नहीं हो रहा था, but मेरा birthday है and मुझे chin पे से थोड़ा बहुत breakout हुआ. Anyway, whatever. I would have made a very big deal out of this 2 years ago, but now I will not, because you know what, it's okay. It's part of life, it's okay. I'm almost done with my makeup. I think I'll use an eyeshadow for the lid from this palette. However, I'm not sure which one I want to use. I'm still confused. But I think I'll go with this shade right here. It's like a basic copper wala color, so I hope it looks good. Okay, I'm not sure how I feel about it. I thought ये थोड़ा copper-ish होगा, but it looks a bit more silver, at least in the mirror. Not sure how it looks on camera, but I hardly ever apply kajal, but I want to today. So yeah, I also wanted to ask you, like, what was the first makeup product that you ever used? For me, it was kajal. Definitely kajal, and I'm very sure it was the same for a lot of you as well. I feel there's like this one last thing that I wanted to address, and I don't even know if I should bring it up, but I think I should, because I want to be honest with you guys, and I don't know. Okay, I'll say it. Okay, so firstly, there were a lot of brands that that reached out to me like a few months ago, and I don't really know kahan se, but I was very, very glad that they did, because finally I could have access to the products that I wanted to review before they hit the market. So I was really, really happy about that, but I ended up declining a few because I don't know, it did not sit right with me, and they did not want me to disclose some things, and I could never do that to you. I mean, just for some money and just for a free product, I don't know. I feel like my ethical values are very strong, and I will not compromise them for anything. And I know when you are a small YouTuber, everybody tells you not to put down offers and to say yes to everything and anything that comes in your way. And I mean, it's good for you because you get to learn a lot on the way itself. I mean, when you make videos for companies, you get to know what kind of content they are looking for, and you get to learn a lot as well. So that's a good experience. I wouldn't lie about it, and it gives you a different kind of satisfaction that and थोड़ा validation भी मिल जाता है that I'm working good enough, and that is why these brands want me to post content about their products and all of that. However, doing that compromising my integrity or my ethical values, no. never going to happen. I also want to talk about the fit tuber wala video. I received like a ton of hate because of it, and I thought कि मैं फिर से बात नहीं करूँगी उसके बारे में. And at one point I was like, I just want to delete that video. Let me just pretend that it never happened. I just want to delete it. But then I thought to myself, do I still feel the way that I did while I made the video? And the answer to that was yes. Yes, I definitely do. And I stand by whatever I have said in the video, and you don't have to agree with everything that I say. Obviously, I'm not expecting you to, but then still to this day believe that those makeup products weren't the best, and I have actually tried them out. Like, I'm all up for constructive criticism, to be honest, and I got a lot of great feedback from that video as well. But to be honest, did I make that for views? No, I did not. I mean, if that was my motive behind making this channel altogether, so जब मुझे पता चला that video is doing so well, I would have spoken about other things and other YouTubers as well. But मुझे कभी नहीं लगा था that video will get the attention that it did, to be very, very honest with you, because I never thought that my channel is very small, and I really never thought कि वो video के साथ ऐसा होगा. To be honest, I have a lot of thoughts about his sunscreen video too, but I will keep it to myself for now, and maybe in the future I'll speak up about it, but for now I'll keep it to myself. I don't want you guys to ever feel that I'm doing something just for clout. Another thing that I feel about that video is half of the people who really disagreed with what I said were guys. Okay, so you can see the username and the pictures as well, right, when you comment something on YouTube. So half of the people who did not agree with me were guys, and when I asked them, okay, because I reply to every single comment, okay, I love reading your comments, and it just makes my day. Okay, so when I asked them, okay, so would you recommend a few makeup products? Have you tried this or that? And what would you recommend if I really don't like this product? So do you have an alternative? Just let me know. These things did not work out for me. तब उनके पास कुछ था नहीं बोलने के लिए. Okay, and they deleted everything. So why are these men always trying to tell us what to do? And makeup was also invented by men, and they felt that a woman would look prettier if she had red lips or flushy cheeks and all of that. So it was invented by them as well. But now when we have embraced it, and some of us really like doing it, now they want to tell us how to do it, or how things should work, or how we should not do it, how we should look natural, stay natural, whatever that means, natural. I really don't know what it means. I messed up my mascara, and I also dropped it on my bedsheet, and my bedsheet is white in color. So yay, best of luck to me मम्मी की डांट खाने के लिए. I'll try saving the bedsheet with this makeup eraser, but I don't know if that will work. It's saving the bedsheet, and it did work to a certain extent, but इतना अच्छे से नहीं. Also, this is why I never speak while I apply mascara, because now I've messed up my mascara a little. I feel like I want to apply a liner, so I'm using this one from ELF. I don't love this liner a lot, but ठीक है. I cannot really decide which lipstick I want to put, but first let me line my lips. I think I'll go with a nude. Or should I go with a pinky nude? A nude? I don't know. I know, wait a second, I know this pink looks really weird. I'll apply this nude gloss on top of this. Yay, I'm done. Now I think I don't want to straighten up my hair. I think I'll tie it because it's really hot and I'm not going outside. Sorry, there's like this mosquito who is constantly biting me. So anyway, I'll just do my hair and I'll be right back. guys, so that was it for today's video, and I really can't believe I took like an hour to film this entire thing, but I feel that's okay. I took my sweet time getting ready. I really hope I can upload this video in time. So yeah, but if I did not upload this on my birthday, I'm really sorry, although I'll try भले ही लेट आए लेकिन आज ही आए अपलोड करने के लिए, बिकॉज आई एम रियली हैप्पी अबाउट इट. टुडे इज माई 1 year anniversary on YouTube as well. So I really hope that this video was not so boring for you, but if it was, I'm sorry, but I talk a lot and I cannot do anything about it, or should I say I don't want to do anything about it. So yeah, if you enjoyed watching, please give this video a big thumbs up. That would be like a birthday gift from you to me, and also leave me a comment down below. You can say anything that you want to. It just really helps my videos to push out in the algorithm a lot, so it would mean a lot to me if you could leave any comment down below, and also consider subscribing to my channel if you have not already. And thank you so much once again for sticking around with me, for believing in me and the product recommendations that I give. It means the absolute world to me. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.